Hey friends, welcome to day 7 on our beginning rebounder journey. I hope you have been getting on your rebounder at least once a day for 3 minutes or as long as this video goes. And if you're feeling good and you're feeling comfortable, then try and get on for a second set of 3 minutes or even a third. But we want to start getting really used to finding our balance on our rebounder and getting into that action of health bounce. Remember, in health bounce and in most of our movements in rebounding, you are pushing down into the mat. So those feet are flat and firm. You are not up on your toesies, nor are you all the way back in your heels. But you are planting that whole foot down into the mat, and you are doing that downward push. That's where you are pushing against that resistance, which will build your strength, which will build your flexibility, and do all the other good things that we've already talked about. If you want to try and feel it in another way, the reminder is bend your knees a little bit, soft knees. We never do it with our knees locked out, or we'll start going backwards, or we won't be able to maintain balance if our knees are locked out. So you always have a soft knee. If I turn to the side a little bit, you can maybe see that my knees are just a little bit soft, and I'm standing up really nice and long and tall through the spine, rolling my shoulders down, and just pushing into the mat and enjoying that health bounce. Now, the other way to kind of feel it in your muscles is get set up here, put your hand on your thighs, and feel those muscles work as you push down. Feel how they flex against that push down and they strengthen. So you are building strength even right here. So keep that push going, and remember, you can always slow it up, or if you want to go a little harder, hold on to your handlebar and push a little harder, bend those knees a little bit, and really work into it a little more. That will increase your cardiovascular strength because you're upping the rate of intensity and you're getting the heart rate to go a little bit higher. So notice how I'm still pushing down, I'm holding on, but I'm bringing a lot more action and energy to the health bounce. Now remember, the health bounce can be gentle. The health bounce can be just a time where you breathe and you relax and you slow everything down. You can use anywhere on the scale from the slower to the faster there, and they all have a health benefit. The health benefit that I want to talk about today is the wonder of exercise, all forms. When you exercise, your body releases endorphins. We could call them feel-good, natural happiness is what happens. But the body kicks those out. So the wonderful thing about exercise and also about rebounding is that those endorphins start to move through your body and they elevate your mood. They make you instantly feel better. So if you have sometimes some low feeling days or some issues with depression, get a move on, get that bounce on, get that movement, and it will elevate your mood. It's a wonderful gift. By moving our bodies, we can raise the happiness quotient. So, number 1, endorphins elevate your mood. Number 2, endorphins reduce your stress. So again, if you're having high stress levels and you just need to bring that down a little bit, you get on your rebounder and you just start moving, and it will help with stress. And if you continue on this rebounding journey, we can lower the levels of stress in our body, even if that stress has been going on for a long time. The third thing the endorphins do is they increase our energy. And who doesn't want more energy? You know, there are times when you have that afternoon lull, or maybe you can't get going in the morning, if you get on this and you start moving and you do a 5-minute rebound, 10-minute, whatever you can time frame you can fit in, you will release those endorphins and you will increase that energy. So sometimes for me, if I'm working on a project, maybe I'm sitting at my computer and I'm doing that for a while, you start to get tired or you start to get low, or the brain isn't working as quickly as you want it to. Well, taking a break for some exercise, getting some movement in, increasing that heart rate, and just getting blood pumping through the whole body just helps you have greater focus and greater concentration. So our health benefit today relates to elevating our mood, decreasing our stress, increasing our energy, and helping us with focus and concentration. So we've already gone for 6 minutes. We will see you tomorrow. Happy bouncing.